So if anyone asks this kind of questions, so I will be going, yeah.
We've seen some reports of an incident last night in a restaurant with the team. Can you tell us?
No, I haven't. So you can ask with my security officer. So I didn't know anything about them.
You weren't there?
No.
So can you just clarify, you said that you weren't there last night at the restaurant and we should speak to your security staff, but as a captain, when those types of incidences happen, how does that impact on the team the next day?
No, I didn't know anything about them, so it's not that kind of big issue for the team, for me and for the other. So I didn't know anything about them. So you have a manager and also you have a security officer. So you can ask them. So we didn't know about anything. Pardon?
They can try and get you.
Yeah, you cannot. You can ask here only with me, not with security officer. You can talk with other side. So if anyone asks this kind of questions, so I will be going. Yeah.